ways in which the cube can end up. And that's the combination she's gone with. Guys, check this out. Inside the bag, there is another cube. Right? That's three. That's impossible. That's four. That's five. Now, thing is though, how to solve take it, throw the cube in the air. Naturally,
There you go.
I've got so many.